has begun as military air force opened fire and killed several civilians in Yobe. The Nigerian Air Force says it has commenced investigation into the reported killing of civilians by a military jet in Yobe State. On Wednesday, an Air Force jet reportedly opened fire on civilians accidentally while searching for Boko people. In a statement signed by Air Commodore Edward Cabot, the force said the incident will be thoroughly looked into. Following intelligence on Boko people ISWAP movement along the Kamadogo Yobe River line, an aircraft from the air component of Operation Hadinkai was detailed to respond to the suspected Boko activities in the area along Niger border at about 600 hours on 15 September 2021. The aircraft, while operating south Kanama, observed suspicious movements consistent with Boko People group behavior whenever a jet aircraft is overhead. Accordingly, the pilot fired some probing shots. It is important to state that the area is well known for continuous Boko and ISWAP activities. Unfortunately, reports reaching Nigerian Air Force headquarters alleged that some civilians were erroneously killed while others were injured. Initial release denying the movement of Nigerian Air Force aircraft was based on the first reports available to the air component, which was subsequently forwarded to Nigerian Air Force headquarters that civilians were bombed as the aircraft detailed for the mission was not carrying bombs. Therefore, bomb of inquiry has been set up to thoroughly investigate the circumstances of the incident. According to residents, the fighter jet belonging to the Air Force approached from the eastern part of the town around 8:30 a.m. and started firing sporadically. Wow, wow, wow. What an excuse, my dear viewers in the house. It's an excuse. It's an excuse. That's what I would say. It is an excuse. Let us just don't go there. Let's not go there. Do you understand? Let's not go there. Because they will not tell me that they were not properly trained on how to detect the Boko environment, and the environment that is covered with innocent people. They will not tell me. These people are professionals. So why are they now saying what they are saying now? See, let me tell you, Nigeria as a country is now acting very strange. They will commit an atrocity and they will be tagging it to be a mistake. And before you know it, that very thing they tag as mistake will be scrapped off. No one will look into the case anymore. You watch and see. This issue of Abakari, the former Deputy Police Inspector General, watch it. Very soon, Abakari will be released and he will be set free. Look at this very error that the Nigerian Air Force have just committed is a constant error committed by the Nigerian police. Now, the Nigerian Air Force have joined in committing the error. Who are they fooling? Who are they trying to lie to? We are not fools here. We are not fools. That is what our Nigerian military need to understand. They need to really explain in details how they killed those souls. You fired at innocent people, claiming that you thought it was a Boko environment, so you have to fire. It means that you people are not professionals. You're not professionals. You can imagine. This is the same mistake our Nigerian police are committing, whereby they end up arresting and killing innocent people, all in the name of they are criminals, whereas they are not. I think our military need to be checked. They need to be checked. They really need to be checked because I'm not seeing anything good coming out of them anymore. At all, I'm not seeing anything good coming out of them anymore. The disaster is too much. The disaster is becoming just too much. So there should be a quick a quick action on that issue. Something need to be done to save the situation. Do you understand? Yes, they are Nigerian military, but that doesn't give them the sobriety and the guts to kill innocent people. So I am suggesting from this very broadcast that the reason for that unbiased shooting should be checked. Should be checked. All right? Because we cannot we cannot say that this is a fair action. It is not. It is not a fair action. It's a disaster. A disaster that worth to be paid that worth paying for. Yes, they didn't pay for their sins. They didn't pay for it. All right. Let me hear from you, my dear viewers in the house base, on this very facts that I've just been taking note of. Okay. So whatever it is, um, please don't feel to leave your comments below the comment section. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.